Sammy found another one. And another one.
Daddy, you're kind of in the way.
Okay. Wow, Sammy's finding all kinds of eggs.
I don't know how good this is because the sun is like not good.
Any more eggs?
Yay!
Another one. And another one. Rita.
Uh-huh. I'm recording. What you got a problem with?
So many eggs, Samantha. You're so good at this. Another one. All pieces. Is there any more?
Could there be one on the floor at your feet? Yay!
Find it.
I think she got all the
You
eggs.
found all the eggs?
Yay,
Yay,
Sammy!
high fives.
All the eggs. You got all the eggs.
Yay. No
You
more
got all the eggs. Daddy, we're going to the swing. She don't care what's in them.
You want to swing?
Look at Sammy's eggs.
Look at all the eggs. You want to go swinging?
Grandma sit and swing? Need Grandma to swing too?
I'll lock you in, baby. Of course I'll lock you in.